Welcome to MSN Digit Max. I am R. Janani, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Madurai Sivagasi Nadas, Pioneer Meenakshi, Women's College, Puvandi. Here, learning resource for business statistics. In the previous video, we all know about what is an average, what are the objectives and characteristics of an average, and types of an average. One of the averages mean. These problems, combined arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean problems. The step deviation method is x bar equal to a plus summation f d dash divided by n into c, where x bar equal to mean, a equal to assumed mean, summation f d dash equal to sum of the deviations, that is d dash equal to m minus a divided by c, and n equal to number of items and c equal to common factor. These are the formula for step deviation method. And another one is cumulative series. It can be of either more than type or less than type. In both types of cumulative series, the data are first converted into a simple series, either exclusive or inclusive. After it, the calculation of mean is done. And this is the problem for cumulative series. And the first one is value and the second one is frequency. The values are less than type. These are the less than values and the frequencies. The solution of this problem is, first we calculate the value as a class. So the problem is value given by less than 10, less than 20, less than 30 and less than 40 like this, and we have to convert into a class as the common interval of 10. So the first class is 0 to 10 and second one is 10 to 20 and third one is 20 to 30, likewise, and the last one is 70 to 80. And next we have to convert the frequency as an individual frequency. First frequency given in the problem is 4. So we have to choose as 4 as a 4, and the second frequency we can modify this, subtract second frequency as first frequency in first frequency. So 10 minus 4 we get the answer of 6, and second one is 15 minus 10 we get the answer of 5. Likewise, the another frequencies are put it in the column, and the total number of frequency as considered as n, the value is 65, and the third column is m. When the classes are given in the problem, you must find the m value, that is midpoint value. The formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, and we get the answer of these columns 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. And we calculate d dash, which is equal to m minus a divided by c. M in the midpoint, a as an assumed mean. Assumed mean is taken as m as 35. So c is a common factor. The common factor is taken into the class or interval, common class interval, so that is as 10. So we calculate d dash as the fourth column, and the fifth column is f d dash. So f d dash equal to, so calculate f into d dash. So corresponding in corresponding f value into d dash, and sum of these column summation f d dash, we get the answer is 96, and the formula is x bar equal to a plus summation f d dash divided by n into c. Here a equal to 35, summation f d dash equal to 96, n equal to 65, c equal to 10. Apply in the formula and we get the answer x bar equal to 49.77. And this is the another type of the cumulative series problem. It is a more than type. From the following information pertaining to 150 workers, calculate average wage paid to workers. The first column is wages and the type is more than type, and the second column is number of workers, and the solution of this problem is wages. Whatever it is given in the problem, either less than type or more than type, we have to convert into a class interval and find the solution of this type of problems. And the wages x equal to 75 to 85 and 85 to 95. In the same way, we have to put it in the last column as 145 to 155. The same midpoint are calculated. The formula is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, and the number of workers f. So in more than type, we calculate the number of workers as decreasing way. 150 minus 140, 140 minus 150, 115 minus 95, and 95 minus 70. So these way, like the number of workers, we get the frequencies. And d dash equal to m minus a divided by c, and the last column is f d dash. That is summation f d dash equal to, we get the answer, and n equal to, we get the answer. And the same formula like this. So x bar equal to a plus summation f d dash divided by n into c. Here a equal to 110, summation f d dash equal to 95, n equal to 150, and c equal to 10. Apply the formula, we get the answer for x bar equal to 116.33. And the next problem is correcting incorrect values. Here the problem can be given by as a statement. We have to find the correct mean of the problem. The problem is the mean marks of 100 students were found to be 40. Later on, it was discovered that a score of 53 was misread as 83. Find the correct mean corresponding to the correct score. So given as a two values, one is n and another one is mean. But this is not the correct mean value. We have to find as a correct mean value. So we already know that the formula for arithmetic mean, that is x bar equal to summation x divided by n. So we know the value of summation x. So n into x bar equal to 100 into 40. Therefore summation x value is 4000, but this is not the correct summation x because the values are misunderstanding. So this is not the correct summation x. So we have to find the correct summation x. Formula is incorrect summation x minus wrong item plus correct item. So incorrect summation x value is 4000, wrong item is 83, and correct item is 53. So subtract wrong item and adding correct item, we get the correct summation x equal to 3970. And correct x bar, that is new x bar equal to, new summation x divided by n. N is already given by 100, so apply n value as 100. So solving this, the answer is 39.7. Hence, the correct average, that is the correct mean answer is 39.7. And the next problem is same as like the previous problem. The problem is mean of 100 observations is found to be 40. If at the time of computation 2 items are wrongly taken as 30 and 27 instead of 3 and 72, find correct mean. Here always given the two values, one is x bar and another one is n. X bar equal to 40 and n equal to 100. So the formula we already know that x bar equal to summation x divided by n. So the last previous problem is wrong item is subtraction and the new item is addition. So less incorrect item is 57 and add incorrect item is 75. So the total was 4018 and the correct mean, that is new x bar equal to summation x divided by n, that is 4018 divided by 100 equal to, and simplify this we get the answer for 40.18. And this is also the problem for this type. The average marks secured by 36 students was 52, but it was discovered that an item 64 was misread as 46. Find the correct mean of marks. This is also the combined arithmetic mean, where the two means are given by the problem. This formula is used by the solution, that is x12 bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, where x12 bar equal to combined mean of the two groups, x1 bar equal to arithmetic mean of first group, x2 bar equal to arithmetic mean of second group, and n1 equal to number of items in the first group and n2 equal to number of items in the second group. So suppose the arithmetic mean, that is 3 arithmetic mean are given, then the formula can be replaced as x123 bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. And the problem of combined arithmetic mean, the problem is the mean height of 25 male workers in a factory is 61 inches and the mean height of 35 female workers in the same factory is 58 inches. Find the combined mean height of 60 workers in the factory. Here, what are the given values are n1, that is number of first item, that is group is 35 and second group is n1 is 25 and n2 is 35. First group is male workers and second group is female workers. So n1 equal to 25, n2 equal to 35. And the first mean x1 bar equal to 61 and x2 bar equal to 58. The formula only two groups are given, therefore the formula are x12 bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. We apply these values in the formula and simplify this. We get the answer as x12 bar equal to 59.25. These are the combined arithmetic mean. There are two branches. And another problem is there are two branches of a company employing 100 and 80 persons respectively. If the arithmetic mean of the monthly salaries paid by the two companies are rupees 275 and rupees 225 respectively, find the arithmetic mean of the salaries of the employees of the companies as a whole. Here we have two groups. So this is as a practice problem. And the merits of arithmetic mean are easy to understand, easy to calculate, based on the value of every item in the series. And demerits also available in arithmetic mean, and the demerits are: the mean is unduly affected by the extreme items, it is unrealistic, it may lead to a false conclusion, it cannot be accurately determined even if one of the values is not known. It is not useful for the study of qualities like intelligence, honesty and character. And next we move on to weighted arithmetic mean. The term weight stands for the relative importance of the different items. The formula is xw bar equal to summation wx divided by summation w, where xw bar represents the weighted arithmetic mean, x represents the variable values, that is x1, x2, etc. up to xn. W represents the weights attached to variable values, that is W1, W2 up to etc. Wn respectively. These are the formula for weighted arithmetic mean. And in case of frequency distributions are available in weighted arithmetic mean, the formula can be changed as xw bar equal to summation w into fx divided by summation w, and the expanded form of above formula xw bar equal to w1 into f1 into x1 plus w2 into f2 into x2 plus etc. up to wn into fn into xn divided by w1 plus w2 plus extra plus wn. And the problem is, a contractor employs three types of workers: male, female and children. To a male, he pays rupees 200 per day. To a female worker, rupees 150 per day. And to a child worker, rupees 85 per day. What is the average wage per day paid by the contractor? This is the question. And the solution is, the average wage is not the simple arithmetic mean. That is, we consider as a three worker, male, female and children. The wages of these three workers adding together and divided by 3, and the answer is rupees 145 per day. If we assume that the number of male, female and child workers is the same, this answer would be correct. Suppose we take 10 workers in each case, the mean wage would be, so 10 into 200 plus 10 into 150 plus 10 into 85, the whole divided by 10, 10, 10. So the overall answer is rupees 145. The answer will be, say, if we take 10 workers in each case. Suppose we have to assume that the number of male, female and child workers are employed as 20, 15 and 5 respectively. So these are the table of wages, weighted arithmetic mean formula. So wages per day as considered as X value, and number of workers, if we choose 20, 15, 5, this is as the number of workers. So put it in the second column, and Wx as it is third column. So multiply W into X. The number of workers, sum of all these workers, we have summation W as 40, and sum of these third column summation Wx equal to 6675. We apply the formula X W bar equal to summation Wx divided by summation W. We get the answer as 166.68. This is the weighted arithmetic mean of this problem. And the 19th problem is, comment on the performance of the students after 3 colleges given below using simple and weighted averages. So first given as course of study. So 3 colleges is given A, B, C, and the A divided into 2 columns. One is pass percentage and another one is number of students, as well as it will be split into B and C. So the solution of this problem is course of study and A, that is pass percentage considered as X, number of students considered as W, and the third column is Wx. Likewise, we put it in the B and C college also. So summation X and summation W, summation Wx also calculated as this type of colleges, and we get each college get the weighted arithmetic mean. And college A, X bar equal to summation X divided by N. The formula is X W bar equal to summation Wx divided by summation W. So we get the answer of X as X bar as well as X W bar, that is mean and weighted arithmetic mean. So in this video we know about step deviation method, cumulative series and weighted arithmetic mean. Thank you.